Presenting one of the most dependable, job site-ready machines in our lineup, the Caterpillar 312C Hydraulic Backhoe, straight from Japan and fully reconditioned here at our Subic Bay yard. This is more than just a backhoe, it's a workhorse engineered for performance, precision, and durability. Let's talk build this. 312C features CAT's legendary design with a rock-solid frame and that classic yellow we all know. From its robust undercarriage to the clean, scratch-free body, you can already tell this unit has been meticulously maintained and restored. It's not just about looks, this unit has logged over 10,000 working hours and still performs like a champ. The entire unit was carefully inspected, parts replaced where needed, fluids checked, and system recalibrated, all right here in Subic. What you're seeing today is a fully operational backhoe, ready to roll out to your site. Now check out this 1/2 cubic meter bucket, the ideal size for general construction, excavation, and heavy-duty work. And here's where it gets interesting. This machine comes with breaker line and Vibro line pre-installed from Japan. That means you're ready for attachments like hydraulic breakers, compactors, or Vibro hammers. No need for aftermarket modification. Plug and play straight to your heavy-duty work. Let's step inside the operator cabin. You'll notice clear glass panels, an intact seat, and original controls. The visibility is wide and open, designed for safety and efficiency. The control levers are responsive, the foot pedals operate smoothly, and the panel indicators are functional. Everything in this cab speaks comfort, so your operator won't get fatigued even in long hours on site. Down here, we've got heavy-duty tracks, fully reconditioned and calibrated for rugged terrain. Whether you're operating in muddy, rocky, or uneven ground, this 312C stays stable. It's designed to move with confidence and precision. Now let's quickly break down some of the specs. Visible here on the original Japanese plate. Machine operating weight, 13,100 kilograms. Body weight, 9,490 kilograms. Rated output, 67 kilowatts. Bucket size, 0.52 to 0.63 cubic meters. Breaker line capacity, 1,000 kilograms. Everything you need and nothing you don't. Made in Japan by Caterpillar in Peoria, USA, and built to last. So if you're looking for a reliable, pre-installed breaker, Vibro Ready, and fully reconditioned machine that's ready to perform, the Caterpillar 312C is waiting for you. This backhoe is available now at our yard. No need to wait for import or inspection. Come and test it yourself. Location: Japhil International Trading Corporation, Lot 1457 Argonaut Highway, Wide Area, Subic Bay. Contact Altamash Market, Mobile 09455347 Built tough, ready now. Caterpillar 312C Japhil quality. Your power.